With this new legislation, we'll ensure Canada has the right tools to keep our borders secure, combat transnational organized crime and fentanyl, and disrupt illicit financing.
The new public safety minister tables his first major legislation, Bill C-2, aimed at border security but with far-reaching implications. If passed, C-2 gives CBSA officers more powers to search export warehouses, make it easier for law enforcement to pass sex offender information to American authorities, and restrict large cash transactions, which the government believes is chiefly used for international crime.
This is about delivering a win for Canada and ensuring that our borders are safer, our communities are safer. And of course, we're responding to some of the concerns that have been posed by the White House.
There's also an overhaul of the refugee and asylum process, dropping inactive cases from the system, making deportations immediate, and allowing the government to cancel immigration documents immediately, and an expansion of police and border officer powers. Electronic service providers would be required to provide certain information to police without a warrant, and the government says to fight fentanyl trafficking, C2 would remove restrictions on police opening mail.
In a free and democratic society, we are not supposed to be under government observation. And if there is going to be a search of something private, police should have to show a reasonable cause to a judge. I'm not saying that you should never be able to search if you have appropriate court orders, but I really dislike the idea of leaving this in the hands of individual police officers.
The BC Civil Liberties Association, in a statement to City News, says C2 is a sprawling omnibus bill which would increase the powers of law enforcement agencies that have no civilian oversight, allow police to open Canadians' mail, and subject electronic service providers to secret orders about sharing information with the state, adding that the bill is so broad it could affect people even if they never cross the border. However, Public Safety Minister Gary Anandasanguri, a former human rights attorney, says he has no concerns.
I fundamentally believe that we have strike the balance, that while expanding powers in certain instances does have the safeguards and the protections in place to protect individual freedoms and rights.
In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.